Hello YouTube, this is YMac101 here with another video about the Fractal design Define R4 computer case. Today we're going to unbox it. First of all, let's go to the specifications. As you can see, this is the black pearl edition version of it. On the back side of the box we have a schematic of the case with the fans and the parts inside. We'll cover it later. We'll cover it later. So, I'll cut here, I'll get the case out of the box, and so we took the case out of the box and now we're going to review all the side of it. So this is the front panel, and there is a door made of plastic with a really nice finish. It looks like brushed aluminum, but it is plastic. It opens up, swings open by a hinge, and as you can see in the inside part there is a sound dampening material that preventing sound. And as you can see here, we have two 5¼ inch bays for optical drives or fan controllers or whatever you pick to do, just put there. And here we have a grill that under him we have a fan filter and a fan mount. So the fan mounted filter snaps out like this, and the filter is just, you can just take it out and clean it. And there is an on stock one fan in there, but I put another one because there is a system in there now, and it just easy pick, click, and then click and click, and the door's closing. So now I'll review the top I/O. My cameraman will go up. Thank you, cameraman. We have two USB 2.0 ports, two USB 3.0 ports, one power switch, a power LED, a reset switch, and a headphone and a microphone jack. So now we'll cover the top of the case. Here we can see two 140 or 120 millimeter fan mounts that are compatible with the radiators, and it's currently blocked by a sound dampening material to prevent noise and dust. So we'll get to the right side panel. It's blank of the motherboard side. Okay, this is the right side panel of the case. As you can see, there's nothing special. This is just the access for the cable managementing and other things. Now we'll move to the back of the case, which there is on stock 140 millimeter fan. So you saw him on the front. Now there's a liquid cooling solution here. We have the motherboard I/O here. We have 7 PCI expansion slots, which means this case supports up to ATX motherboards, and there's one auxiliary PCI slot for like USB things that does not need to be connected to the motherboard directly. There is a bottom mounted power supply, and there is a bottom filter for the power supply and the fan, easy removable and easy clean. So put them back. This is the left side panel. Here you can see a 140 or 120 millimeter fan mount, which is currently blocked for reducing noise and reducing dust inside the case. So by removing the thumb screws, the black thumb screws from the case, I cheated, I already removed them, and we can just pull and open the case. The side panel is high quality. There is a high quality painting on him, black paint. There is a sound dampening material to reduce noise, and there is the 140 millimeter fan cover for reducing noise, thicker sound dampening material. So I'll put it aside, and now we'll cover the interior of the case. First of all, we can see the interior. There is, as you can see, a bottom mounted power supply with a rubber feet, and we have a 140 or 120 millimeter fan mount. We have 8 3.5 inch drive bays, which are, as you can see, compatible with 3.5 inch. There are screwing from the back with a rubber silencers to reduce vibration and noise, and 2.5 inch SSDs which are natively compatible here. So I'll put it here, and as you can see, by removing 2 thumb screws, I can really easily remove 5 of the drives for long graphics card installation or installing a radiator. This 3 drive bays can also be removed, but by removing 4 screws from the bottom of the case. So as you can see, there is the fan that's blowing directly on the graphics card, and we have here on the top 2 140mm fan blockers that's supposed to block the 2 140mm fan mounts that are, I already mentioned it, compatible with your radiator. You can use a H100 in this case, it will fit no problem. So now we'll flip the case around to the cable managementing business side. If you noticed, the cable managementing looks really tight and nice. So now we'll see the belly. So again, we're removing 2 thumb screws. I can remove the side panel, and it's just stuck and removed. Again, high quality with sound dampening material. Here, I remove it, and this is the back cable management. As you can see, on the back of the motherboard tray, we have a big CPU cutout for installing a backplate for a CPU cooler. We have a 2.5 inch SSDs install point. I installed my SSD in there. There's a whole lot of room here. I can stuck my hand in there. For cable managementing, I have thick cables, are single sleeve on the cable, so it's really thick and bulky, but the side panel fits no problem. I forgot to mention in the front section that there is a fan controller. Cameraman, can you go here? Thank you. We have a 12 volt, 7 volt, and a 5 volt. These are controlled by, you can control up to 3 fans. Here I connected my front fans to there, and this is it. Also, the front panel connection on this case are the USB 2.0 ports, the USB 3.0 ports. This is the internal header, really nice touch. We have the front panel connections, HD audio, and as I mentioned, the 3-pin fan headers and a Molex to power them. So thank you for watching my unboxing and overview of the Fractal Design Define R4 case. Please subscribe, like, and favorite if you want to see more. And leave a comment, of course, in below. You can see my system specs on the description below. Thanks for watching. So I missed it in the video, but there is an accessories box, very nice. There is a diagram which shows which screw and how many pieces of it there is in the inside. So we can open it and take it out. This is my stuff. Here there's a Ziploc bag that all of the screws are sorted in with a small Ziploc bags. Really useful, really nice touch. All black screws. Thumbs up, Fractal Design. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.